What's up, guys? Welcome back. Sorry about we were in the middle of a pack there and my camera died. But you wouldn't believe it if I told you we got that in there. But we didn't get it on camera, so it don't count. Still pretty cool though. Alright, let's just keep right on going into these though. Silver Tempest. Brand new. We started with 27. I think we're about maybe halfway. Got a few bangers. But we still no Lugia. No rainbow. We got a gold though. Gold. Okay. Just gonna get right into it here with the hitters. Let's go. A little Ballern, okay. A little Raichu. Torcat. Fennekin. Durant and boom! Ho ho ho! There we go. That's a nice looking card there. One of the legendaries, Rainbow Burn. That's pretty. All right. All right. That's what I'm talking about. All right. Let's go. Let's just keep it moving. Let's back that up. Can we back that up? Here we go. Oh, you know it looks good. Let's open these bad boys here. Oh no. Sometimes it's a little struggle. It's alright. We're gonna get it. I'll tell you that. By golly. Bam, bam, bam. Alright. 3, 4. And here we go. Alright. Little Serena. Little Pony. Little Braxian. Drowsy. He just looks so happy. Little Bunnery. Timoteo. That's pretty cool. I like all the flowers in the back there. Vulpix. Little Togepex. Into a Talonflame. Non-hollow. Alright. Let's go here. Next one. Next one. Batter up. Here we go. Here we go. This one is it. I got a feeling I'm not the only one. Here we go. Bam. Oh, we also maybe get some energy once or twice here. Get some luck going. One Dragonair. Look at him. Pretty cool. Muckrow. There's Litton. Clink. Sunkern. And non-hollow Arcanine. Alright. Alright. Here we go. Here we go. It's alright. It's alright. This one right here. This one right here. Uh-oh. Oh, that's really still good. That's how you know. Oh, that's not good. I should have got a little knife for these. That's how we'll get them. There we go. A little Lugia artwork. Let's see. Get a little Lugia luck. 2, 3, 4. Bam. Alright, energy. Another energy. Rotom, Swab Blue, Muckrow, little Litton, some Flora, and non-hollow. Alright. Oh, don't start doing this again. Here we go. Let's get some bangers here. This one right here. This one right here, coach. I was telling you, put me in. This is it. This is the one. When you know, you know. You know what I'm saying? If you know, you know. That's it right there. Oh, what the hell? Oh, left the code card in the pack here. That's what happened. And went all the way out. That scared me there. Where's that? 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know if I saw anything. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Let it roll. Let it roll, baby, roll. Here we go. Lantern, Brandon. Smeagol. Look at that little knitted. That's pretty cool. Dratini, Tim 2. Mennonite. Okay, a little Torcat. And there's our first holo I think we got. Metacham. I haven't got many, but oh, that's the first one. Alright. Pretty cool. Alright. Let's keep them moving. Keep them moving here. Got a few. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Plus this one. 13 packs left. Let's go. Here we go. This is the one. I say that for all of them, huh? Well, one of these times you got to be right, you would think. I don't know. Let's find out. Bam, bam. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we are live. That's pretty cool. Venonat, Bolts, Pikachu. I just like that one. Norbait. Oh, there's a little trainer, Jinx. That one's cool there. Look at that. Wow. Into. What happened? Is that it? I must have done something wrong right there. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That only came with 10? Guess so. What did I miss? Well, I don't know. That's how that went. Cool little Jinx. Huh. We'll take that, I guess. That was weird. Or does it only come with 10? Now I'm confused. How many come in there? I don't know. Next one. Here we go. Is it always 10? I'm just mistaken. Something happened there. It is 10. So what did I do? I don't know. That's how you know you're new. When you're new and you don't know what to do. That's fine. We just keep it moving. You know what I'm saying? Just keep it all moving here now. Make up for it with this right here. Watch, you know. Make you forget all about that. 2, 3, 4. Now I'm worried. I ain't gonna lie. Now I'm worried. Bam. Let's do it right. See if we can get something. A little Slurperf. A little Litten. Smeagol. Esper. I don't think we got that one yet. A little Stunkfish. Okay. A little reverse rare. To a non-holo. That reverse rare is cool. Alright. Alright, next pack here. What? Look at this now. See, now I know something's going on. The heck? This is upside down. What? Alright. That's strange. I don't know why they... Well, let's go for it. Here we go. What is this, huh? Hopefully we get a little error pack. Get a little error pack. Just all the cards upside down or something, maybe? I don't know. Let us see here. That was strange. I have never seen that. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bam. Alright. Let's see here. Well, so far looks alright. Little Metang. Dracolock. Sandy Gast. Fungus. Elgium. I feel like we haven't gotten any of these cards. Are these from the same set here? They must be. Metatang and Victini. Alright. Yeah, those were all new cards, kind of. Alright, that's cool. That's cool. Alright. Got a few more here. Let's go. Wasn't an error pack. It just didn't give me nothing. So they put it upside down. They tricked me. And they didn't give me nothing as well. Alright. Enough of this. Oh. There goes my little trash pile. Let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. Bam bamski. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4. We got some more luck. One more. Come on. Let's get something here. 27 packs, man. We are not catching them. A little fungus, a little fletch finder, and dangus. Alright. Dangus among us. Alright. Well, this is it. Here we go. Come on. It's the final countdown, baby. Final countdown. We're not leaving here without... We're getting something. These little packs, you know. Spend a couple dollars here and there, build it up. It's fun. And I, you know, make a little content for the people. Be able to open up packs. Bring back little childhood memories. What's better? Here we go. 2, 3, 4. And bam. Let's get it. Let's get it, Lance. Come on, baby. Clang, clang, clack. Let's go. Beldum. Well, Krogunk. Let's go. Zubat chilling in the cave, baby. Little, oh, whoa. There we go. Little trainer, little Flaffy. Little happy Flaffy. Nice. Into another Delphox. All right, non-hollow. A little trainer gallery, though. Take that. That's pretty cool. All right. All right. Well, there's one. Come on now. Let's send this strong here. Let's go, baby. Come on. Let's get this strong. All right, but let's get it. Lugia artwork. Can we get a Lugia? Here's the question. Can we get a Lugia? Is the question. Guess the energy? All right. Let's go, baby. Braxian. Little Dead 9. Little Sunkern. Swirlex. That's pretty cool. Okay. A little Milk Talk. It's a reverse rare there. And another one. Back to back with her, huh? Okay. We'll take that. We'll take that. You know what I'm saying? We got to. What other choice do we have? What other choice do we have? Well, let me tell you. This right here. This one is... You know what I'm saying? I've been saying it the whole time. But this is it. This... Oh, yeah. I can feel it. Feel it in me bones. Oh, yeah. Let's go here. Go ahead and get that. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Let's go ahead and clean, get all of the Lugias. Bam. Full picks. Fletching. Ferrost. Oh, what? No way. Back to, we got 2. We got 2. Are you kidding me? Look at that. It's a what? What? Oh. Well, there's the pack. I told you. What did I say? What did I say? Wow. Beautiful. Unbelievable. All right. There we go. There we go. Last couple packs here. This is what we need. That's what we needed. Now I feel it for real. Now I'm really feeling it. Now I'm really, really feeling it. Let's go ahead and get right into this here. Alright. Codes. 1, 2, 3, 4. That was a hit, man. That was a double banger. You can't get better than that. You cannot. But we gonna try. Sure enough, here we go. A little dreepy, fancy, clang, and center roar. All right. Last 4. Here we go. You know what they say? Big money. No whammy. And stop. Here it is. Here we go, baby. There's that. You already know. Guess it. Oh, you got it. Here we go. Little Serena. Lynn. Okay. Stonefish. Clang again, reverse. Okay, there's a rare hollow. That's pretty good. I like that one. Alright, here we go. Last 3. Can we do it? I think so. We got some good hits, though. We got that double black and gold card. That was crazy. That was crazy. So, final 3. You know what to do. You know. Let's go. Alright. Leafy Camo Poncho. That's pretty cool. I ain't seen that one yet. Got Lance again. Little Chinchu. Pikachu. Always nice to see you. Big Dog. Ponyta. Okay, little Torcat. And non-hollow. Alright. Here we go. Final 2. We gotta get some. Let's end it on a high note here. This is it. You feel it? Is it this one or the next one? I'm thinking both, to be honest. Here we go. Check this out. That's how I know if you watch it again. Because watch this. Watch this here. Brandon. Lantern. Okay. Little Sandgust. Little Elvium. Okay, Zoo. Bomb! What'd I say? Look at that. We're getting all of these. What's up? Wow. Rayquaza. VMAX. Look at that. Oh, I love that green and gold. That's mate. Look at that. Woo. No, look at that again. These packs are fire. Ended good. Look at that. Wow. Unknown V-Star. Rayquaza VMAX. Got a double banger again. Woo! That's what I'm talking about. We should have saved that one for the last one, but guess what? This one right here. Last pack magic, guys. Double last pack, because we just got the one. Now we're getting 2. Is that one upside down again? I have a hard time opening it. Alright, here we go. Can't believe that, man. Not a bad little pull. Can I get into the pack, please? There we go. Uh-oh. Panicking last pack, see? Blowing it. Here we go. And it's Delugia. Come on, baby. Man, I can't believe that. That's back to back. Those last couple ones were some fire. But this one, this has got to be... Oh, snap. Blew it. Well, that's all right. We can still get something. Let's get it. Here we go. Last pack. Meowstic. Talent, Baltoy. Sunkern. Phanpy. Indeedee. Marini. Reverse to a non-hollow. All right. So that wasn't bad. We got some hits out of that. We got the Dragon Pult. We got a Medicham. Got the Trainer Gallery. First pull. That was pretty cool. A little Flaffy Baffy. That's a cool one. Got the Jinx. Oh yeah. The Lance Trainer. That's cool. And we got the Radiant. Only Radiant. I didn't know they had Radiant, so that's pretty dope. The Ho-Ho. The Unknown V. That was a good one. I got the Regimax. That one, yeah, we got that one off camera right when it cut though, so that one don't count. Got two of those. Look at that. And we got this one. I like this one. That's probably my favorite hit. All right. Well, if you guys like that, make sure you guys like, subscribe, follow along. We got plenty more packs to open. That's just the first video. So I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys soon.